Yes, yes. What up, y'all? We got a new pickup. I got this one right here as a Christmas gift. As you can see, we got some really dope patchwork on the sleeves and shoulders. Military style patchwork on the chest, very similar to my bomber jacket. Another super dope, highly detailed patch on the other sleeve. Freedom Seeker with the lightning bolt. I've seen that before. Same patchwork on the shoulder. You got the hoodie inside the collar. You got your Velcro, both sides. Velcro. Stick it right there. Patch it up right there. I'm twice as nice as most niggas that try to write. The cuffs got a big wide opening. Silent light, turn a peaceful to a violent night. Sight, I'd rather stack money to the roof till it burn in my ceiling. So you got extra room. My real niggas feeling me right. My real bitches deal with the pipe. For extra small wrists. My niggas ground beef every night. My niggas don't sleep in the night. You got the drawstring work, as you can see. And that goes all the way around the jacket. No drawstring on the bottom, but it looks like, oh, these are just, not sure what those holes are for. Very interesting. I remember I had one of these when I was in high school. It wasn't a Ralph, but definitely a jacket I had for a very long time. Very useful type. Very useful style of jacket. Nice. Pocket on the inside. Only one pocket. You got your lining up on the top, inside the sleeves. This lining right here is the same material as the collar, as the hood on the inside of the jacket. As usual, I get mine in a large. And you don't have anything at the back. This feels like one of those jackets I'm gonna have forever. Even when these joints get faded and beat up a little bit, it just adds character to them. Makes them look even better than they do when they're brand new. Very dope style of jacket, especially with the patchwork. Like, to have two patches with this much detail. Very dope, especially on a jacket that doesn't have much else flashiness to it. This forces these patches to really stand out. And they also look pretty similar to the real patches they wear in the military. I really like these ones. All right, y'all. Oh, actually, let me show y'all the hood inside. Yeah, as you can see, that same material on the hood as the lining of the jacket. It's got a little bit of a bill right there, you can see. Even some ventilation, so you don't get too hot when it's raining. Yes, very dope. All right, y'all, I'll be back with another video very soon. Peace.